My name is Lady Paola Morales Nagles. I am 52 years old. I am from Colombia. I live in Soacha. I live with my husband and my son. My profession is hair stylist. I don't have a favorite sport study. My favorite TV is no art needs. My mother is Gladys Morales. She is 49 years old. She is housekeeper. He is from Tolima. She is like the pants and blouse. Her ears and brown and black hair. My sister is Marinela Ospina Morales. She is 34 years old. He is employed. She from Tolima. She lied in sweater and skewed. Her eyes are brown and she has brown hair. My brother is Carlos Julio Quintero is 24 years old. He is a student in a school. He is from Tolima. They like the skirt and is a brown and the black hair.